but it's also going to start getting a little bit warmer around here. Humidity will be returning. We've been pretty lucky so far this weekend with the humidity just being so low behind that cold front. So although it has been a little on the hot side, it's been a lot more tolerable lately. We did make it to 95 degrees officially at DFW, the normal high being 97, the record 106, and we have been rain free, of course. This Reunion Tower camera still sitting at 95 degrees. The wind, it's light. It's coming in out of the northeast. Right now we're at 96 degrees in Denton, 97 in Mineral Wells. There's 100 degrees over in Haskell and 96 in Corsicana. Satellite and radar pretty quiet. We've had lots of sun today, but from time to time we get some of those clouds to bubble up, but that's pretty much it. So this ridge of high pressure, it's still going to be in control. We're going to keep that heat dome in place, keeping our skies pretty much cloud free for the most part for the next couple of days. I think we're going to see plenty of sun, but that also means that temperatures will have plenty of opportunity to make it to at least the mid and upper 90s. Now, eventually things will change. I'm stopping the clock on Tuesday because the ridge is going to start to back off to the west just a little bit, and that's going to allow for eventually that wind to be more out of the south, and that's going to help to carry in more moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. So eventually humidity will be increasing by about midweek. And so eventually the heat index is going to become more of an issue where even though the temperature may be reading 100 degrees, it could feel several degrees above that. By 7 o'clock, we're starting to notice a front move into parts of the northern plains. You can start to see some rain moving into northern parts of Oklahoma. That front will start to move south. And as of right now, it does look like it's going to be impacting parts of North Texas towards the end of the week. Now, it's still several days away, so the pattern could change, but for now we're at least going to keep a chance of rain in the forecast for Friday. Right now the coverage is only going to be at about 10% because we'll see if it actually holds on, but at this point it could go either way, up or down. Either way you look at it, though, the front's going to be moving through somewhere. And then eventually we may have a little bit of a weak wind shift, but that's pretty much it. It doesn't look like it's going to be a significant storm system or a significant front, but nonetheless, it will at least bring a chance of rain. And it seems like we haven't had too many of those as of late, so we'll see if it holds. Tonight, though, temperatures will be pretty comfortable. I think most of us will be dropping back down into the low 70s, 73 in Dallas, 72 in Fort Worth, 72 in McKinney. You can see lots of upper 60s out to the west. So tomorrow morning, fairly comfortable, but tomorrow afternoon, those temperatures will be returning into the upper 90s to around 100 degrees. I've got 99 in Dallas, 98 in Fort Worth, and 98 in Decatur, possibly as warm as 100 degrees in Denton and 99 tomorrow in McKinney. So for tonight, clear. The wind's going to stay light, and the wind does shift more to the south and east as temperatures drop down into the low 70s tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning, pretty pleasant. But tomorrow afternoon, we will be warming up quite a bit. I think we hit back to around 99 degrees. The wind's going to stay light. The humidity stays low tomorrow. It's going to slowly start to creep back up as we get into Tuesday. By Wednesday, I think, though, you're really going to notice it. We're going to see that high of 101 degrees, but the dew points will be back. It looks like maybe the upper 50s and lower 60s. And then by Thursday, 100 degrees. You can see on Friday, there's that one chance of rain. Looking at the second half of the 14-day, that is the only chance of rain that I'm seeing as of right now. And it seems like every other day it's about 100 degrees, 101. We also have 102, maybe around August 14th. So a little bit of difference there. But right now, everything's been pretty consistent.